Let us bring Japan to you. Japan-America Society of Dallas-Fort Worth invites you to Japan-in-a-Suitcase. Japan-in-a-Suitcase is an on-site and online educational program that offers students an opportunity to learn about Japanese culture. JIS has been in operation for over 20 years, and we have reached over 50,000 students at public and private schools and local community organizations in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. We literally bring a suitcase full of Japanese culture for students to see, hear, touch, and experience Japanese culture, customs, and contemporary life.
We have 4 pre-designed presentations. Kamishibai, a form of traditional Japanese storytelling, Kids Art in Japan, School Life in Japan, and Daily Life in Japan. These 50-minute presentations can be customized and tailored according to the interests and ages of students. You can also request longer presentations or even new topics. Each presentation is very interactive and hands-on. It typically begins with a general introduction to Japan, a lesson on simple Japanese words and basic greetings. We then move on to discussing the main topic, and lastly, we wrap up the experience with a fun hands-on activities such as origami folding and calligraphy.
Our presenters are highly trained, enthusiastic, and compassionate. It always warms our heart when we see the excitement and curiosity of the students as they discover something new about Japan. We'd love to give you a little glimpse of Japanese culture through our Japan-in-a-Suitcase program. For more details, please visit our website or contact us at booking@jasdfw.org.